Hi everyone, it's me Jo, and today I'm bringing you a brand new video for my plastic surgery series, and I'm so excited that today we're in a different setup. I've been really striving to get a brand new different camera and studio background with natural light so you can see me more to the way I look. And I really wanted to bring you an update on everything that I've been working on with my surgery, face, laser and teeth. So we're going to go the full spectrum. So I was really excited to actually get the little bit of work done to my face that I showed briefly. Now I filmed this video whilst I was in transition of moving house. Now I don't like the look of the video because it doesn't show what it actually looks like, and I wanted to give a better job of sharing it with a setup that you could see it in clearer. So let's talk through what I got done. Now, Dr Ayad, who works at Qosmetic with a Q, he actually agreed to do some work to my face. I've literally built the groundwork up of my face. So everything that I was concerned about with symmetry has been done. What I wanted to achieve next was really the creative finishing touches. And this is the first time that I've thought about changing my face for the better. Before, I never really concerned myself with changing my appearance. It was about rebuilding symmetry in my face where I'd lost it. I thought, well, let's actually work on doing something new. Let's think about how I would like to look going forwards, and I would never get surgery on my face, and I'm so sorry for you guys out there who keep seeing my pictures and my images and my videos be attached to these bizarre clinics in Brazil and Dubai, because I have been forwarded so many emails and print screens that people are using my videos and my pictures to actually advertise facial feminization surgery, and I just want you guys to know it's got nothing to do with me. It's absolutely illegal. I've never had anything done surgically to my face, and I don't plan to. I don't know why they've used my face. Maybe it was because of an article I did with Marie Claire or Elle, I'm not sure, but they seem to feel confident just being able to use my videos to advertise their stuff. So if you have seen that, I do apologise, but we're working on removing it. So really for me, I wanted to just add a little bit more of my favourite characteristics in a face to mine. So I thought about my favourite pictures of me, the favourite times I've styled myself, and I always come back to the same aesthetic, and it's based on my biggest inspiration when I grew up, which was video games like Final Fantasy. It's an aesthetic that I really love, and I've really kind of found whenever I style myself like that, it's my favourite look on me. So Dr Ayad suggested that we put a little bit of filler in my cheek. Now this has never had anything in this side of my face ever, so this is a new thing for me. And we went under the muscle a little bit and then just over the top. So there was 2 injections, one was deep, one was over, and it was a very kind of like painless experience because it was an injected numbing. It wasn't actually lidocaine, which is applied like a cream, and I felt nothing. It was fantastic. Then what we did after we did both of my cheeks, and I'll show you with my fringe. So really what happened with that kind of process is it built up that line that people would normally contour on. So the final steps was the chin. So we just injected a little bit of roundness into the base of my chin, so it finishes my face off in more of that anime style that I love, and here are the results. So I'm so excited about this because it really gave me a little bit of a look that I really wanted to achieve, and I think that it was subtle enough that people can still see it's me. I haven't gone crazy. I don't do things for trends. I do things because I want to create something new, and I'm really happy with the results. So check out Qosmetic in the links below. Next on my updates is I've actually been going through an Invisalign process with Your Smile Direct. So they actually align your teeth over time, and it's done wonders for my teeth. I'm having a full video about that next. Final touch is basically my skin. Now, my skin has been through the war zones because I started with acne, and then when I started to get more into doing the YouTube thing, my beard came through. And when the beard comes through, the makeup either has to come up to the most extreme level of coverage or you get laser. And I went to get laser and I had a really awful experience with laser hair removal, and it burned my skin profusely. Having electrolysis was really awful for my skin as well. So for the first 6 months of this year, we have been going in and out of different clinics, different laser trials to find out what was going on with my skin. And I have a very deceptive skin type 4. This means that I can't actually have the traditional diode lasers that people would be recommended if they have paler skin and darker hair. I don't have that combination, which I think is kind of obvious because you can see from my skin and my hair, it's not got pigment to it, but my skin has lots of freckles. So it's a very difficult thing to do because the difference between the lasers are minute, but they make such a difference. Some target the melanin, some target the blood supply. So the only 2 lasers that I'm suitable for in the south of England are in Epsom and in Portsmouth. So my dad has been driving me to Portsmouth. We've gone down there 3 times now to have it done, and the results have been phenomenal. I've had no downtime. You go through the normal ups and downs of laser hair removal, like you get a little bit bumpy skin the day after, and then sometimes you get hair caught under the skin. Nothing like 6 weeks of burning, which has happened a couple of times in the past. So I have a full video on that coming next with skin, but just, my God, I'm so much more confident wearing makeup and being able to do that, because it was just like I was forced into a corner really where I had to do a masculine look because the beard just wouldn't work with the makeup. So that is pretty much all I have to update you guys on. So cosmetic were really great. I'm really happy with the results. I'm thinking about getting a little bit more done, which I'll share with you in the next video, but I hope you guys enjoyed that one. So before I leave, let me know what you think of the new lighting and setup. It's just a trial, so if we don't like it, we can try something different, but it'll be awesome to hear your thoughts, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care and err with caution when you're going to get work done. Don't do it for a trend. Really get a great practitioner and check out Qosmetic in the links below. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.